Karnataka Job Reservation Bill for Kannadigas, a comprehensive analysis. The proposed Karnataka Job Reservation Bill has sparked intense debate and controversy in India's Silicon Valley. This legislation, which aims to reserve a significant portion of private sector jobs for local Kannadiga residents, has far-reaching implications for the state's bustling tech industry and startup ecosystem. While the bill's intentions may be to prioritize local employment, its potential consequences have raised concerns among industry leaders, entrepreneurs, and legal experts alike. This article delves into the various aspects of the bill, exploring its impact on Bengaluru's status as a tech hub, the startup landscape, and the broader implications for India's economic growth and competitiveness. The proposed bill, an overview. Key provisions of the Karnataka Job Quota Bill. The Karnataka State Employment of Local Candidates in the Industries, Factories and Other Establishments Bill, 2024, proposes the following main provisions. 50% reservation for Kannadigas in management-level positions. 70% reservation for Kannadigas in non-management-level jobs. Applicable to private sector companies operating in Karnataka. Objectives behind the legislation. The state government's primary objectives in introducing this bill include protecting the interests of local Kannadiga residents, ensuring more job opportunities for locals in the private sector, addressing concerns about unemployment among the state's native population, current status and government response. Following significant backlash from industry stakeholders, the Karnataka government has taken the following steps. Put the bill on hold temporarily. Deleted previous announcements promoting the bill. Committed to comprehensive discussions in the next cabinet meeting before making a final decision. Impact on Bengaluru's tech industry. Potential exodus of IT giants. The proposed bill has raised concerns about its impact on Bengaluru's thriving IT sector. Major tech companies may consider relocating to neighboring states. Loss of Bengaluru's competitive edge as India's Silicon Valley. Potential decrease in foreign investment and global company expansions. Talent pool constraints. The bill's implementation could lead to significant challenges in talent acquisition. Limited access to skilled professionals from other states. Potential skill gap in specialized tech roles. Difficulty in maintaining global competitiveness due to restricted talent pool. Innovation and growth challenges. Restricting the workforce to primarily local candidates may have unintended consequences. Reduced diversity in ideas and perspectives. Slower pace of innovation and technological advancements. Potential decline in Bengaluru's position as a global tech hub. Startup ecosystem under pressure. Founder diversity and its importance. Bengaluru's startup ecosystem thrives on diversity, with many successful founders hailing from different parts of India. Examples include Bhavish Aggarwal, Ola, from Punjab and Sameer Nigam, PhonePe, from outside Karnataka. Diverse backgrounds contribute to a rich entrepreneurial environment. Concerns about the bill's impact on future entrepreneurial migrations to Bengaluru. Talent acquisition challenges for startups. Smaller companies and startups may face unique challenges if the bill is implemented. Challenge impact. Limited talent pool, difficulty in finding specialized skills. Increased competition, larger companies may have an advantage in local hiring. Relocation considerations, startups may need to move to other states for unrestricted hiring. Adaptation strategies for startups. Some startups are considering various strategies to navigate the potential changes. Setting up subsidiaries in other regions. Investing in training and development programs for local candidates. Exploring remote work options to access talent from other states. Legal and constitutional concerns. Precedents from other states. Similar laws in other states have faced legal challenges. Haryana's local job reservation law was quashed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court in 2023. The court deemed such mandates unconstitutional and beyond the state legislature's purview. Constitutional validity. Legal experts have raised concerns about the bill's constitutionality. Potential violation of Article 14, right to equality, and Article 19, right to practice any profession. Questions about the state's authority to impose hiring restrictions on private companies. Concerns about discrimination based on place of birth or residence. Potential legal challenges. If enacted, the bill is likely to face legal scrutiny. Industry bodies and affected companies may file petitions challenging the law. Constitutional experts anticipate the bill may not withstand judicial review. Possibility of the bill being struck down based on precedents from other states. Economic implications for Karnataka. Investment climate. The proposed bill could significantly impact Karnataka's investment attractiveness. Potential deterrent for new companies considering setting up operations in the state. Existing companies may reconsider expansion plans. Possible shift of investments to neighboring states with more flexible hiring policies. Competitiveness in the global market. Karnataka's position as a global tech destination may be affected. Reduced access to diverse talent could impact innovation and productivity. Difficulty in meeting global standards and competing with international tech hubs. Potential loss of Karnataka's edge in attracting multinational corporations. Long-term economic growth. The bill's implementation could have far-reaching consequences for the state's economy. Slowdown in job creation across sectors. Possible reduction in overall economic output and GDP growth. Ripple effects on ancillary industries and support services. Alternative approaches and recommendations. Skill development initiatives. Instead of mandatory reservations, the government could focus on enhancing local skills. Invest in vocational training programs aligned with industry needs. Collaborate with private companies to design relevant curricula. Encourage internship and apprenticeship programs for local students. Incentive-based models. Encouraging local hiring through incentives rather than mandates. Tax breaks or subsidies for companies exceeding certain local hiring thresholds. Recognition and awards for businesses contributing significantly to local employment. Financial support for companies investing in local talent development. Balanced policy approach. Stakeholders suggest a more nuanced policy that balances local interests with economic growth. Gradual implementation of local hiring targets over an extended period. Sector-specific quotas based on availability of local talent. Exemptions for highly specialized roles or emerging technology sectors. Conclusion. The proposed Karnataka Job Reservation Bill for Kannadigas presents a complex challenge, balancing the interests of local employment with the needs of a globally competitive tech industry. While the intention to create opportunities for local residents is commendable, the potential repercussions on Bengaluru's thriving tech ecosystem and Karnataka's economic growth cannot be ignored. The bill's impact extends beyond just job statistics, touching upon issues of innovation, diversity, and constitutional rights. As the state government reconsiders its approach, it is crucial to find a middle ground that addresses local employment concerns without stifling the entrepreneurial spirit and global competitiveness that have made Bengaluru India's Silicon Valley. A more holistic approach focusing on skill development, incentive-based hiring, and collaborative efforts between the government and private sector could potentially yield more sustainable and positive outcomes. The ongoing debate surrounding this bill serves as a critical juncture for Karnataka to redefine its economic policies in a way that fosters inclusive growth while maintaining its position as a leading global tech destination. As discussions continue, the eventual policy decisions will likely have far-reaching implications not just for Karnataka, but for India's overall position in the global tech landscape.